Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Ochora Argilias, 33 years old. I live in Batangas City and I'm single. I have one son, 11 years old. I'm a high school graduate.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
My mother and my sister will be the one to take care of my child.
It says to your bio data that you are ex-abroad. Please tell us your duties and responsibilities there.
I am from Saudi Arabia. My duties and responsibilities, I do cleaning, I wash clothes, I cook, and sometimes I also take good care of one child.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to fulfill my dreams. I want to give better future to my son and help my family as well.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you will hire me because I will really do my best and I will finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.